Let's make this easy Nigerian party jollof rice for over 40 people. And by the way, this recipe is very easy. Let's recreate. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Nigerian party jollof rice. Let's get cooking. So in a pot, we're going to add our cooking oil to this. Next step, we're going to add our onion and also our ginger and garlic powder. Then we're going to add our bay leaves to this. And the reason why we're doing this is to build flavor into our oil. Then we're just going to mix this together and allow it to fry for some time before I go in with my pepper mix, my blended pepper mix. Mind you, this consists of the pepper, tomato, tatashi shombo, and a little bit of ginger and garlic. That's the fresh one, all blended together, and it's very smooth. So we're just going to add it, and then I'm just going to allow it to sit between 20 to 25 minutes. Like, I want it to fry properly. Then after about 20 to 25 minutes, I added my tomato paste, then I'm just going to mix until it is well and properly combined. Then I'm just going to allow it to sit again for another 15 to 20 minutes. While it's frying, time for us to add our other ingredient, which is a little bit of rosemary, thyme, curry powder, and then we're going to add our seasoning cube. The reason why I added my seasoning cube like this is because my seasoning cube are a little bit hard. So I just broke it into pieces and I just added it inside the sauce because I know it's going to melt. Then I'm going to add my salt to taste. After mixing this together, I'm still going to allow it to sit for another 5 to 8 minutes on a medium heat before I added my water. I realized I didn't have any stock at home, but if you do, it's important you add this to elevate the taste of your food. Then I'm just going to mix this together, and then I'm just going to cover it and allow the water bring to a boil before I add my rice. So this is about 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see, my water it brought to a boil. Then I'm just going to add my rice to this, my washed rice to this, and then I'm just going to stir this together. At this stage, I will always advise you to taste your food in order for you to adjust its seasoning. I did that, and for me, it's perfect. So all I had to do was just to cover this and allow it to boil between 20 to 30 minutes on a medium heat, because I'm using a gas, and as you can see, this is the first time I'm turning my rice. So the way you turn your rice matters a lot. All you have to do is just to bring from down to up, from down to up. So because down one cooks faster than the up one, so the up one can get cooked. So just bring from down to up, from down to up. So at this stage, my rice is not fully cooked, but it's about 70% ready. And in order for you not to have soggy jollof rice, I would advise you not to add a lot of water to your rice. You don't need too much water for your rice, or else your rice is just going to be soggy. So after mixing my rice, I'm just going to make sure everything is well placed. Then I'm just going to use a nylon bag to cover it. If you do have a foil paper, that also works. I'm just trapping like the heat. Then I'm just going to cover this and then allow it to cook for another 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat. And after that, this is what we have. So all I had to do was just to stir this again. As you can see, my rice is ready. So I'm just going to get my turning stick, and then I'm just going to turn my rice from down to up, like I've said earlier, down to up, down to up. So like I said, I always bring easy and affordable recipe for you, no stress at all. So my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe? Are you going to recreate it? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.